What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 steam mops in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The first steam mop on today's menu is Shark Steam Pocket Mop. Shark has quite a lot of budget cleaning products and accessories, and S3501 is an excellent representative of their quality. Basically, this is a petite, small, and highly compact steam mop with dimensions that measure 51.2 inches by 12 inches by 5.9 inches. It weighs only 4.87 pounds, which makes it one of the lightest full-size steam mops available on the market. Let's have a quick rundown of its main specs. The S3501 Pocket Mop rocks 1200 watts of pure power and operates on 8.8 amps. Sadly, it does not have LED lights or magnetic charging, unlike the Shark Vac Mop, for example, but it's still pretty versatile in terms of the features it comes supplied with. The Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop typically comes with a bundle of accessories that can be used to greatly boost its well-roundedness, including a pack of fully washable pads made of top quality microfiber, a filling flask, a quick release cord wrap, and rectangle shaped mop head. The microfiber pads are pretty convenient as they are reusable and pretty easy to clean. If you do happen to misplace or lose one of the pads, you can always order replacements directly from Shark's shop online. Another big benefit of Shark's S3501 is two-sided cleaning. While most mid-priced and boutique steam mops provide this advantage, only a handful of budget models do, and S3501 is one of them. This particular feature substantially reduces the total cleaning time, as you'll be able to efficiently mop up the floors in one go. Furthermore, Shark's Steam Pocket Mop can heat up in less than 30 seconds, which is pretty amazing for a low-end steam mop. Obviously, one of the biggest benefits it has to offer is affordability. The features it comes outfitted with are of great quality, but there are a couple of things that you may not particularly like. First and most obviously, the cord is simply too short for convenience. It's just about long enough for you to clean one room at a time, which makes cleaning the entire house or apartment a bit of a bother. Secondly, there are no mechanisms for mop dislodging. It's great that they are reusable and easy to clean, but removing them from the mop is dirty work. Overall, Shark's Pocket Steam Mop is an excellent choice for people who are on a bit of a tighter budget. Its functionalities are excellent, the features it packs are quite amazing, and even though there are a couple of bumps along the road, it's still one of the best steam mops in 2020. Next up, we have BISSELL's PowerFresh Lift-Off Steam Mop as our best multi-purpose mode. This is one of the most versatile steam mops that money can afford, in the sense that it is suitable for almost any kind of mopping task, whether it involves larger chunks of debris, pet hair, or gritty floors. It does not really matter. Let's start off with its dimensions. Basically, BISSELL's PowerFresh Lift-Off's dimensions measure 13.2 inches by 11.14 inches by 44.7 inches, and it weighs 10.6 pounds. This means that it is somewhat bigger and just slightly heavier than an average steam mop. This is a 2-in-1 handheld cleaner that emits a continuous stream of steam. Most BISSELL's cleaners features wand-based steam control, so it's a bit of a bummer not to see much of a feature on this model too. On the flip side, BISSELL's PowerFresh Lift-Off does offer variable steam settings, so you can shift between various steam strength outputs to adapt to different types of floors. Just like our previous pick, the PowerFresh features a pad made of high-quality microfiber that is both reusable and easy to maintain. This steam mop is suitable for use on sealed hardwood, linoleum, granite, and ceramic. It could prove to be useful on other types of floors too, but it is the most efficient on the aforementioned types. Aside from its top quality features, it also comes supplied with a huge number of complementary accessories, such as the window squeegee, the flat surface tool, the fabric steamer, several bristle tools, the angle concentrator tool, the flat scraper tool, the grout tool, and many more. Essentially, the purpose of these free accessories is to optimize the performance of BISSELL's PowerFresh Lift-Off with even more versatility, making it suitable for both outdoor and indoor use. Furthermore, the warm-up time of BISSELL's PowerFresh Lift-Off is merely 30 seconds, which is exactly the same as our previous pick. Even though it's remarkably versatile, we still think that there is some room for improvement. Basically, the grout tool is not overly efficient. You'll have to put your back into it if you want to clean anything with it. Additionally, the tank BISSELL's PowerFresh Lift-Off comes supplied with is pretty small, Be it as it may, the PowerFresh Steam Mop is almost unparalleled in terms of well-roundedness and versatility, and the ton of features it comes supplied with bring plenty of innovations and exquisiteness to the table. So we highly recommend that you check it out if you're looking for an all-rounder steam mop. We're moving on to specialized steam mops, and this particular model works wonders for laminate flooring. On top of that, it's incredibly light, kills more than 99% of microbes, allergens, and bacteria, and more importantly, it does not leave any chemicals behind. We're talking about O-Cedar's Microfiber Steam Mop. Let us first discuss exactly how compact and portable this steam mop is. When assembled, the dimensions of O-Cedar's Microfiber Steam Mop measure 53 inches by 12 inches by 8.75 inches, and it's remarkably light with only 5 pounds of weight. What is more, it can be disassembled into 5 parts, allowing for super easy storage and maintenance. One of the most unique features of O-Cedar's Microfiber Steam Mop is the rapid startup time. It heats up in mere 20 seconds and is good to go. The adjustable steam level settings are incredibly convenient as they allow you to adapt to different kinds of floors. Even though the microfiber pad attachment is best suited for laminate, it works just as great on squeaky lighter floor types. Another very cool feature that O-Cedar's Microfiber Steam Mop comes supplied with is the carpet glider, which keeps the microfiber pads in the same shape, providing consistent cleaning angle and area at all times. What most people adore about O-Cedar's Microfiber Steam Mop is simplicity. It's a low-cost steam mop that is surprisingly durable and versatile for a low-end model, and it packs a variety of unique features such as the aforementioned glider and the customized microfiber pad. The only problem you might have with this steam cleaning mop is that its high steam setting is not particularly strong. In comparison to similarly priced models, it would be fair to say that this steam mop actually has low and medium settings rather than low and high. Even so, O-Cedar's Microfiber Steam Mop does a major bang for the buck, on top of the fact that it's very affordable. Its performance is consistent and well-rounded, so we highly recommend that you check it out if you have laminate floors at your home. Our following pick is better suited for hardwood floors, but it performs just as great on brick, marble, and other gritty floor types. The carpet mop we have labeled as the best hardwood steam mop is Light and Easy Mop Cleaning Steamer. The dimensions of this steam mop model measure 46.4 inches by 11.8 inches by 6.8 inches, and it weighs approximately 6.3 pounds. It's neither the most compact nor the lightest model in our review, but it's still very easy to use. Even though it's best used on hardwood floors, the various attachments it comes supplied with make it more suitable for cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, and furniture. The special microfiber pads that Light and Easy Mop Cleaning Steamer is outfitted with removes nearly 100% of wrinkles on thinner clothing, and its exquisite design eliminates almost all bacteria, allergens, dust, and similar nuisances. One of the coolest features that Light and Easy Mop Cleaning Steamer is outfitted with is the Smart Switch. Basically, this feature prevents the steam from being released when you place it in the upright position. You can override this functionality by tilting its handle. Another very interesting feature is the touch sensor. Essentially, Light and Easy Mop Cleaning Steamer does not feature a push-button action. Rather, it sports a sensor that activates the steam mop when you put your finger across the designated area. There are 3 steam power settings for you to use, including high, medium, and low, all of which are convenient in different situations. While some might think that this steam mop is a bit too expensive for everyone's pocket, we dare say that this price tag is more than justified. The versatility, reliability, and consistent performance of the Light and Easy Mop Cleaning Steamer have earned it one of the prime spots in our review. We're pulling the curtains down with another one of BISSELL's models. Actually, this is another steam mop from the PowerFresh series labeled as 1940. The one we reviewed earlier on is 1544A. Essentially, the 1940 PowerFresh picks up where 1544A left off, and it is more than fair to say that every feature that this steam mop comes supplied with is an upgrade over its predecessor. There are a bit of similarities between all PowerFresh steam mops, such as variable steam power settings, the washable pads made of high-quality microfiber, and they're all pretty light. However, this model features a bigger water tank reservoir, the exquisite easy scrubber for beginners, and the versatility of every other PowerFresh mop. The dimensions of the 1940 PowerFresh measure 11.6 inches by 7.1 inches by 28.6 inches, and it weighs 6.82 pounds. It's decently light and certainly smaller than an average steam mop. The Easy Scrubber is a feature that is unique to this PowerFresh Steam Mop version. Just like its name suggests, it aims to simplify any cleaning process by improving the ergonomics of the construction. Speaking of which, 1940 PowerFresh is exceptionally durable. Now, the only potential issue you might have with this steam mop is the bottle cap. Certain models come with caps that are not properly screwed in, so you might want to check that as soon as you unbox it. Other than that, we dare say that 1940 PowerFresh is one of the most versatile high-performance steam mops on the market. Ideally, you'll want to use it on sealed hardwood, ceramic, granite, marble, or linoleum. It doesn't fare so well for above-floor cleaning, but with proper accessories, even that should not be that much of an issue. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.